counter. Let us observe the circuit diagram. We are using the IC74LS90, which is a 14-pin IC. Let's start the connections. Pins 2 and 3 are reset pins, which are short and connected to ground. Pin 5 is connected to VCC. Pin number 6 and 7 are the set pins and they are connected to ground. Pin number 8, 9, 11, 12 are connected to outputs, that is QA, QB, QD and QC. So 8 is connected to QB, 9 is connected to QC, 11 to QA and 12 to QD. Pin number 10 is connected to ground. Pin number 14 is connected to clock. And pin number 1 is short with pin number 12. Pins 13 and pin number 4 are not connected in the circuit. For the asynchronous decade counter, we'll use IC74LS90. Let us start the connections. First, let us connect pin number 5 to VCC, and then pin number 10 to ground. Then we'll short pin number 6 and pin number 7, and then we'll connect it to ground. We'll short even pin 2 and 3, and even this we'll connect it to ground. We are taking the outputs, this as QA, QB, QC and QD. Now let's connect pin number 12 to the output QD, then pin number 11 to the output QA, pin number 9 to the output QC, and pin number 8 to the output QB. Then we'll connect the clock input 1 to pin number 12, and finally we'll connect pin number 14 to the clock input. This is the circuit diagram. Now the output is showing decimal number 0. Let us press mono short. It has become 1 again. Now it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9 it has reset back to 0. Let us construct a mod 7 counter. The binary equivalent of the number 7 is 0111, and we can write it as A bar BCD. The outputs B, C and D are connected to pins 8, 9 and 12 respectively. So we'll take wires from B and C and we'll give it as an input to one AND gate, and the output of this AND gate is given as an input to the other AND gate, which has a wire from pin number 12 as another input. So the output from this AND gate is given to the 2, 3 short pin, so that it will reset back to 0 after 6 is reached. Let us construct a mod 6 counter. The binary equivalent of the number 6 is 0110, and we can write it as A bar BC A bar. The outputs QB and QC are connected to pins 8 and 9 respectively. So we'll take wires from QB and QC and we'll connect these wires as inputs to an AND gate. And the output is given to the 2-3 short pin so that it will reset back to 0 after it reaches 5. And we use an AND gate whose IC number is 74LS08. To construct a mod 4 counter, let us consider the binary equivalent of the number 4, that is 0100, and we can write it as A bar B C B bar. The output QB is connected to the pin number 8. So we will take a wire from the pin number 8 and we will remove the 2-3 short to ground and we will connect this here, so that after reaching 3 it will reset back to 0 and it will not continue till 4. This is the construction of a mod 4 counter. To construct a mod 7 counter, we will use an AND gate. We will connect a wire from pin number 9 which is connected to QC and we will give it as an input to the AND gate. Then we will take another wire from pin number 8 which is connected to the output QB and we will give it as an input to the AND gate again, and we will take the output from the AND gate and connect it to another input of the AND gate. Now let us connect another wire from pin number 12 to the input of the AND gate and connect the output from the AND gate to the 2 and 3 short pin, and we will remove the 2 and 3 short pin from the ground. And last but not the least, we have to connect pin number 7 of the AND gate to ground, and we have to connect pin number 14 of the AND gate to VCC. This is the connection for mod 7 counter. Let us observe the output. Initially the output is found to be 0. Now let us press mono shot. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it is resetting back to 0. This is the output of mod 7 counter. To construct a mod 4 counter, we have to connect a wire from the pin number 8 which is actually connected to the output QB to the short pin number 2 and 3, and we have to remove the wire of pin number 2 and 3 short from the ground. Let us observe the outputs. Initially we have the output as 0. Let us press the mono shot. It's 1, 2, 3, and it is resetting back to 0. To construct a mod 6 counter, we'll have to connect a wire from pin number 9 which is actually connected to QC as an input to the AND gate, and then we'll connect another wire from pin number 8 which is actually connected to the output QB as an input to the AND gate, and we'll take the output from the AND gate and connect it to the 2-3 short pin and remove the 2-3 short pin which is connected to the ground. Let us observe the outputs of a mod 6 counter. Initially the output is found to be 0. Let us press mono shot. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is resetting back to 0.